Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if y'all have been watching and if y'all have been subscribing, you know that we just started the 4-week hashtag skincare challenge. So tonight's video is about our nighttime routine. So we're going to get started. For our nighttime routine today, this is something that'll be done 3 days a week. I will be using the green, let's see, oh there we go, the green clay mask by Beauty Contour Christian, and I love it because so her packaging was amazing. She had personalized thank you notes. She literally gives you everything that you need. So it comes with a bowl, spoon, and then the brush to put it on. So we're going to be following the directions on the back of here. This mask is only going to be done 3 days a week. All the other days, we'll basically be reverting back to our daytime routine. So we'll wash with the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, do our toner, and do our moisturizer. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing it says is apply the mask to a clean face. What I am going to do is use a wipe, makeup remover wipe, the Pond's Exfoliating Renewal, just because these are my favorite. Okay, I'm sorry y'all, this little lash shadow is like driving me insane, but okay. Next thing we're going to do is mix 1 tablespoon. I'm going to measure out 1 tablespoon. It seems like that's a lot, but I'm gonna follow directions because I'm pretty sure she knows what she's talking about. And then it says add a few drops of water. So it says on a container you want it to be like a paste type of form. So you can add a few drops of water. Add one more. Okay. Stir it up. So I'm excited about this. I'm excited to use this. Oops, I'm sorry, my little princess is crying. Hold on. So I know y'all probably wondering, like, this girl about to put on a mask and she took her lashes on. Usually when I do my mask, I always keep my lashes on. I'm gonna tell y'all why. So I put my mask on, hop in the shower. The moisture and the steam from the shower basically helps to remove my lashes to keep from pulling your lash due to the glue or whatnot. These are minks, and of course these are parts of the Doll's House lab. Once I hop out the shower, I'm telling you, like, I can just pull these right off, no problem. I don't pull out any hair from my lashes, anything, like, it's the best. So that's why I still have my lashes on. Alright, so we got a pasty mixture here. Get ready to apply it to my face. Alright, so let's apply it. So you know you want to apply a generous amount. For some reason, I always start at my cheeks, but I just apply it all over. It feels so good on my face. And like I said, this is definitely the best part of the year, the best time of the year to get in touch with skincare. Like, this sun and this heat will dry your skin out, okay? And again, just like our daytime routine, you definitely want to apply this everywhere. just want to make sure that I have it everywhere, so it can, you know, do its job. Okay, so let that sit for 15 minutes. And like I said, I normally, what I do is usually hop in the shower. You figure your shower's like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, or however long, to each its own. Like I had stated in the daytime routine, you want to remove it in a circular motion. So for me, it's so much easier because I always start at my cheeks, so removing it this way and coming up and coming around. All right, y'all, so we're gonna let this sit, then we're gonna remove it, and then we're going to be right back. All right, so now that we've done that, we've applied our mask, we've rinsed our mask. The next thing, apply some toner. So again, like our daytime skincare, we're gonna use the same thing for the nighttime. The Badescu. I take a cotton ball. Since it's nighttime, you can spray it over your face, but whatever, like for me, I just like to just directly apply it. So again, circular motion. Right up here. Alright, so we're gonna let that dry. If you are doing our skincare challenge, again, it's a 4-week skincare challenge. Every week we'll be posting videos. We'll be doing a daytime video. We'll also be doing a nighttime video. Remember to hydrate. So you want to increase your water intake. Try not to drink any soda or any pop, because that does play a part in skincare as well. And also try not to eat a lot of junk food. So the one thing I am going to switch up for our nighttime routine is my moisturizer. So for nighttime, I'm going to use this Aquaphor. So this is the baby version, but they do have a regular version, but I'm gonna use this one. So I just take some on my finger, I apply it, dot there, dot there. This Aquaphor is a great moisturizer. Great. It's extremely great, especially in the winter time. You know, when you get like dry, cracked lips, it's so good for that. But I like to just apply it at nighttime and just let it soak into my skin. Alright, dolls, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links will be posted below. I'm also going to put below Beauty Couture Christian. So if you guys want to order her green clay mask, I'll put that below. So that's pretty much it for our nighttime routine. You can go to sleep, lay down, get your beauty rest, and know in the morning you are one step closer to smooth, soft, hydrated, even glowing skin.